Espresso. Espresso is a concentrated coffee made by forcing hot water through finely ground beans under high pressure. It originated in Italy and became the base for many modern coffee drinks. The result is a small, intense shot with a rich flavor and a layer of crema on top, which gives it a smooth texture and slightly bitter taste. Americano. Americano is made by adding hot water to a shot of espresso. It was popularized during World War II when American soldiers in Europe diluted espresso to make it closer to the coffee they were used to. The flavor becomes lighter than espresso, but still keeps its deep coffee character. Cappuccino. Cappuccino combines espresso with steamed milk and a thick layer of milk foam. It became widely known in Italian cafes and is often enjoyed in the morning. The balance between strong coffee and creamy foam creates a smooth and slightly sweet experience. Latte. Latte is a milk-heavy coffee made with espresso and a large amount of steamed milk, topped with a thin layer of foam. It is softer and less intense than cappuccino, making it popular among those who prefer a milder coffee taste. Its smooth texture allows for flavors like vanilla or caramel to blend easily. Flat white. Flat white comes from Australia and New Zealand and is similar to a latte but with less milk and a thinner layer of foam. The coffee flavor remains more noticeable while still feeling creamy. It is known for its velvety texture and balanced taste. Macchiato. Macchiato means stained or marked in Italian, referring to espresso marked with a small amount of milk. It keeps the strong espresso flavor but softens it slightly with just a touch of creaminess. It is often chosen by those who want a bold taste without full milk dilution. Mocha. Mocha blends espresso with chocolate and milk, creating a drink that sits between coffee and dessert. The chocolate adds sweetness and richness, making it popular worldwide. It is often topped with whipped cream, though the base itself is already smooth and indulgent. Black coffee. Black coffee is simply brewed coffee without milk or sugar. It can be made using different brewing methods, but the idea remains the same. Pure coffee flavor. It allows the natural taste of the beans to stand out, from bitter to slightly fruity depending on origin. Drip coffee. Drip coffee is made by pouring hot water over ground coffee in a filter, letting it slowly drip into a pot. It is one of the most common methods in homes and offices, especially in the United States. The result is a clean and balanced cup that is easy to drink over time. French press. French press coffee is made by steeping coarse coffee grounds in hot water and then pressing them down with a metal filter. This method keeps more natural oils in the cup, giving it a fuller body and deeper flavor. It is simple but produces a strong and rich coffee. Cold brew. Cold brew is made by soaking coffee grounds in cold water for many hours, usually overnight. This slow process reduces bitterness and creates a smooth, slightly sweet flavor. It is often served chilled and has become very popular in warm climates. Iced coffee. Iced coffee is regular brewed coffee that is cooled and served over ice. Unlike cold brew, it is made quickly using hot water first. The taste can be stronger and slightly sharper, but it is refreshing and easy to prepare. Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee is one of the oldest brewing methods, made by boiling very fine coffee grounds with water and sometimes sugar in a small pot called a sesvi. The coffee is served unfiltered, so the grounds settle at the bottom of the cup. It has a thick texture and a very strong flavor. Instant coffee. Instant coffee is made from brewed coffee that has been dried into powder or granules. It dissolves quickly in hot water, making it convenient for quick preparation. While it may lack the depth of freshly brewed coffee, it remains widely used around the world. Decaf coffee. Decaf coffee is made from beans that have had most of their caffeine removed. The process keeps much of the original flavor while reducing the stimulating effect. It is often chosen by people who enjoy coffee but want to avoid caffeine. Single origin coffee. Single origin coffee comes from one specific region, farm, or country. This allows the unique characteristics of that place to be clearly tasted, such as fruity notes from Africa or earthy tones from Indonesia. It is often appreciated by those who enjoy exploring different flavors. Blended coffee. Blended coffee combines beans from multiple regions to create a balanced and consistent taste. Roasters use blending to control flavor, aroma, and strength. This is commonly used in commercial coffee to ensure the same experience in every cup. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more explained content.